Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. Let's go through our recap of Joy Global, symbol JOY. We traded Joy both to the long side as a day trade on the 29th, and we also got a short on the 29th as well. So let's just do a brief recap. I am not a day trader by any stretch of the imagination. It's not my forte. However, when I see opportunity, when I have the time to devote to a day trade, as I did yesterday, sure, I like to go in for hopefully what might be a quick and easy trade. And what happened was you had Joy that opened up, gap down at the open due to the fact that we released earnings that were disappointing. Both current earnings and forward-looking guidance was disappointing because their backlog dropped considerably. So we saw on the 5-minute chart that it opened up the day at an extreme oversold level. We saw bottoming tails come in. So I figured let's open up a trade and look to get long of Joy, hopefully for a filling of the gap here. I don't have the patience, to be honest with you, when I see topping tails. So I took a quick, it pulled back, it rallied up to our buy point. So net, I took a loss on the commission, but I just got out of the trade. I'm not a big day trader, folks. So again, if you're looking for a day trading service, you're best served by going somewhere else. I'm more of an intermediate long-term trader. And I'm going to get to that in a moment, why I think Joy is going down. So we saw Joy rally up to 50.71. I was already out of that long trade, unfortunately, because looking at rearview mirrors to be a bad decision. However, the reason why I got back into the stock as a short, I'll show you using a weekly chart. Now you can see when I was looking to get short of Joy Global, this candlestick, for those folks who like candlesticks, you could see that this at that time is almost a full candlestick. And it appeared as though you were going to see a breach of the $49 per share level, which we did, but hopefully we were going to reverse on the day and close back down towards those lows and then threaten to take out the $47.54 level. That would be a great trade all the way down to the $41.26 per share level, which marked previous support. You'll also have on a weekly chart, you have your 50-week moving average, which is threatening to take out the 150-week moving average, which is a great insurance policy. This is going to be pressure on the stock. So we got short of Joy. Let's go back to not just 5-minute chart. Let's use a 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, Joy Global. So you can see our initial short of the stock, which is right about here. We had those topping tails intraday. Was the wrong move. However, the reason why I didn't cover is because A, I did not consider it to be a day trade, 1. 2, when you open up a swing trade, you never, unlike with day trading, you never, ever open up your full position on your first buy. You always accumulate a position to compensate for the fact that you just might be wrong, as I was here. So had I opened up a full position, I would have gotten squeezed to death along with the other shorts. This is traditionally not how I trade. So we opened up our position here. We knew we were going to come up and fill the gap, which is the reason why I initially got long of it. So we're not going to cry over spilled milk. So we added to our short position here. The stock subsequently proceeded higher, again being squeezed to death. And this morning, being the 30th, we opened up a third purchase or short at the open, right about $54 per share, and you could see that it really was a nice entry point on the day. And the reason why I stuck with this trade was because you could see a head and shoulders formation setup. You could see it better on a 5-minute chart. Let's take a look at that. And here you have it. There's your left shoulder, head, somewhat a right shoulder here, and then we broke. We took profits on the short today when I saw the bottoming tails come in right here. I'm not going to fight this. So we decided, you know what, we have a nice quick profit on the trade. We do not know what tomorrow brings. It's the final trading day of the month. It's also the end of summer. It is the beginning of an extended weekend. You can expect volume to be treacherously light, and plus you have economic data that's set to be released tomorrow, which can move the markets. So you have a profit, take it, move to the sidelines. So if we get a pop on Joy Global, I fully expect to get short of Joy Global once again. And let's go back to, take a look at the prior week's trade. You had a hammer reversal off of the 200-week moving average, which sets the stage for an ugly week this current week. Now, if we close down by this $50 per share level on Friday, you can bet that I'll probably be in there. I'm going to start nibbling away to the short side. But again, I'm not going to be aggressively shorting until I see support levels begin to get taken out. I'm going to want to see further weakness. Because, take a look at the daily chart. We had an inside day today. We closed below the 50-day moving average. However, yesterday's reversal was extremely bullish. You also had the stock which broke out on a daily basis above of its declining downtrend line. So I'm not going to try to outguess this trade here. What I plan on doing is, as this stock proceeds to make lower lows to begin to open up more of a short position, I want to be assured of the fact that we are seeing a further correction. And if you take a look at the chart of just any of the other miners, Freeport McMoran, this is a monthly chart. You need to take a pulse of exactly how these stocks are setting up. These are the customers of Joy Global, and they are not looking pretty. Take a look at this chart. You could see a head and shoulders formation set up, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we break down below this neckline here, it's going to get ugly on Freeport McMoran, and you could expect a further impact to the downside on Joy Global. So if you want to know if and when we get short of Joy Global, or in fact long, more than likely short, join the Contrarian Trade to take advantage of the 14-day free trial offer. Folks, if you want the free newsletter, please enter your email. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. And folks, please, I am net short of this market. I've been building short positions for the past couple of weeks. This market is in serious, serious trouble. You have the English that are raising taxes, the Australians raising taxes on the rich. Taxes are going up all over the civilized world, and they expect these markets to continue higher. I doubt it. So I beg of you, sign up for the 14-day free trial offer, learn how to contrarian trade, and don't let these thugs on Wall Street, on CNBC, on Bloomberg tell you that this market is set to and poised to rally higher. It's not. It's set to collapse and roll over. Join the 14-day free trial offer. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.